Hi there, everybody. Hey, welcome back once again to another video today. This is Marybeth Angelelli. I'm back with you. I just want to continue to talk to you more and share with you further about this amazing program called the Legacy Builder Program, which I believe is the ideal best opportunity, especially if somebody is new and doesn't have a lot of experience or marketing skills and wants to get started and have something that gives them the best opportunity to be able to get results in the shortest amount of time and experience success online. And I'm going to explain all of that in today's video. So please stay tuned. The best is yet to come. I do appreciate your support. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and smash the notifications bell. That way, as I continue to bring you new videos, you will be notified as soon as I upload, okay? So just recently had another $1,800 day as evidenced by proof on my Facebook page, okay? As you can see, 2 dings came in just recently right here. I'll just go ahead and increase that for you. There was the first one that came in. There was a second one. So that generated me another $1,800. Now you may have heard the infamous 2-hour workday that evolves around the Legacy Builder program. So let me share with you next exactly what that looks like. And if you decide to get started, this is what you can expect to be doing on a daily basis with consistency. This will be your income producing activities. We will provide you with complete step-by-step training, step-by-step video training. This is literally a paint by number system. Everything is mapped out, explained, broken down simplistically, step by step. So irregardless of whatever your background is, you don't need special skills. We're going to teach you and equip you with those necessary skills. Okay? You don't need to be a techie. We give you everything you need, including your done for you website and all of your training step by step, set up, ready to go, easy. You plug in, you follow the training, and then you go out, you apply and you implement, and you focus daily, okay? You commit to the process. This is the process. You remain consistent. You show up daily for the best results. This will be your 2-hour workday, your income producing activities, okay? So the first 30 minutes, this is what we recommend. This is what we do. We post free ads on high traffic free websites, and there are a total of 200 free websites that you can take full advantage of, okay? You just need to go in, create a free account, follow the step-by-step training. We give you the ad copy, the images, everything is provided for you. It's very, very easy. Copy, paste, post, and profit. A very simplistic approach. 30 minutes a day. Then you're going to spend 1 hour creating 3 pieces of content. You're going to make really good utilization of social media. Again, all the training is complete. It's comprehensive, broken down step by step. You can choose from any one of these platforms: Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and Pinterest. Yes, we have a multitude of faceless branding. So if you are somebody who chooses, for whatever reason, not to engage in talking videos, okay, you can do posts, you can do text ads, images, and faceless, okay? And you can utilize these platforms to do so, all right, very successfully. Then the last 30 minutes, what we do is we spend time responding to CTAs. You will learn all about that in the training. CTAs are call to actions, okay? And what you'll do is anybody that emails you requesting information, you'll just respond back with a very short, sweet, simple response, providing them with the link to your website. Anybody who comments on your social media, whether that be your videos, your TikToks, your YouTubes, your Facebook, your Instagram, you will simply respond back and provide the link to your website. It's very, very simple. So this is what the infamous 2-hour workday looks like. It's very easy. We have full step-by-step training on all of this. So let me take you there next and share with you exactly what that looks like, okay? So let's go here. Oopsie. Okay, here is the training. Okay, it is on Kajabi, and welcome to your digital growth product dashboard. Okay, we have wonderful bonuses that await you as well. These are the 4 products, 4 done-for-you digital products. Now, of course, we have the 100, which is the launch pad. We have the 300, which is the passive daily blueprint. We have the 600, which is the digital mastery. But to be perfectly honest, our most popular is the Legacy Builder 900. This is our flagship product, and this gives you the other 3 products. And it also sets you up to be able to get paid direct, member-to-member, instant pay, keeping 100% of the profits to the tune of $900 over and over again. So yes, I am at the 900. That's how the other day I had another $1,800 day. 2 new customers provided me the opportunity to earn $1,800 in a single day. And it's all by just following the 2-hour work day and the training. So once you get started, if you come in at the 900, you'll get access to your training. You'll click here to view the product. This is going to take you inside, okay, the Legacy Builder program. And everything is here, folks. Super simple, very complete, very comprehensive. Just, a wealth of information and training to equip you with the knowledge and the skills to go out there, utilize to your full advantage, applying and implement it daily, consistently for the best results. Okay? Everything is here. Okay, and I would, highly recommend that you plug into this. This is very insightful. This is how we're going to show you to go from zero launch to profit in 7 days. This is going to set you up for the best, fastest results in the shortest amount of time. So I recommend you definitely dive into this. Okay, this is going to show you how to automate your online business for time freedom. So you're not out there anymore trading time for dollars. You're definitely going to want to watch this video that highlights the Freedom Machine, which is going to be your automated system, which works very, very well. Okay, very effectively. All right. And it's going to be out there working for you, doing its thing 24/7. And then you're going to focus on creating your content and building your email list. And like I say, the money's in the list, the fortune's in the follow-up. We give you all of the follow-up emails. Okay, you're going to be able to upload them into your Freedom Machine. They're going to go out for an extended period of time. You can even add more emails in there, and those are what ultimately convert your leads, a percentage of your leads, into paid signups, giving you the opportunity and ability to generate these, wonderful $900 commissions throughout the week, okay? With your consistent marketing efforts, of course, all right? So your results are going to, of course, vary. It's all about showing up every day, just being coachable, following the process, following your 2-hour workday, doing your income producing activities, creating your content, having your system set up, having your follow-up emails going out, and showing up every day, washing, rinsing, and repeating for the best results, okay? So everything is here, how to get your funnel set up, step by step by step. Everything is here for you, okay? And then, of course, you want to test it out, how to set up your payment links. It's all here, okay? So you could set everything up. Your email automations. This is what's going to result in your signups, okay? Coming from that. And here's all your social media training right here. You'll start off ultimately picking one of these, and then of course if you want to layer on and add a secondary, you certainly can. Now for me, I always get asked what I utilize. Well, way back in the day, I got my start on YouTube. I've had great success over the years. YouTube has served me very, very well, generating me thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars over the years. So of course, I'm still very much utilizing YouTube. My channel is Retired with Marybeth, so you can look me up. And then I decided to take full advantage of TikTok. It's an incredible place, an incredible video marketing platform. And then I utilize Facebook a little bit. Okay, so this would be my primary, this would be my secondary, and I make really good use out of this one right here. Okay, so that's exactly what I do. We show you how to build your following, find your perfect customer, everything you need to know how to do. We're going to equip you with that skill set so you can go on and have success as well, okay? Everything is here, folks, for you. This is very important because once you understand who your target market is, who your target audience is, and how to locate, identify, and find that ideal customer, you're going to be able to go out there and create relevant content, okay, that's going to speak, that's going to get your message across properly and effectively and successfully to your perfect customer. And that is what is going to set you up and position you for the best results so that you can start consistently earning with the Legacy Builder program. It's all here for you. Everything you need, folks, and then some. Okay, everything you need and then some. Finding your ideal customer, how to attract your perfect customer, discovering your perfect customer. It's all here, folks. Okay, and then you just continue onward with the training. Now let me show you, like I mentioned, about the first 30 minutes. This is where you're going to go to learn how to do that. And this is very, very simple. Okay, how to post free ads on the internet, creating your ads that convert, how to grow your YouTube with free ads method. This is your 200 free ad sites, okay, that you are going to be able to post on, and the tips for posting free ads. Simple, 30 minutes a day. Copy, paste, post, and profit, okay? Everything's going to be here. Here's your Pinterest training. You can learn all about Reels, which is super popular. Storytelling. This is very, very popular as well. It's all here for you. Okay, so that's your 30 minutes a day training. Coming back here, you will pick your platform or platforms of choice to create your content on, and it's going to be right in this section here, setting up your social media. Lessons 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, 1 through 4. And then throughout the training, we're going to show you how to create those CTAs, call to actions. And that's it, folks. That's your 2-hour workday. Very, very simple. Okay, so I shared that with you. And then this is the funnel that you're going to get access to setting up. It works amazingly well, folks. Okay, it really, truly does. I love it. And I know you're going to love it too. Okay. And this is what you're going to be advertising and providing your call to action to. And what your ultimate goal every single day is going to be collecting email leads to build your email list. Okay? They're going to willingly enter their email address. You're going to take them on that journey through your email sequence, through your email follow-ups, the journey of know, like, and trust, which is the best journey of all. Okay, they're going to come to get to know you, like you, and trust you through your effective follow-up emails that are provided to you through your free autoresponder on System IO. Okay, and then these follow-up emails are going to be going out. People are going to be clicking, opening them up, reading, getting to see you, getting to see your message, and review all of the information. And then ultimately, you're going to drive them right in here. Okay. An email address will be entered. You'll just simply click on, or they will click on, yes, get my blueprint now, okay? And then when you come through my funnel, you'll be clicking on this too, okay? So you'll be entering your email, you'll be clicking here, and this is where you are going to be redirected to a very effective thank you page. This is going to kickstart your automations, okay? This wonderful presentation will do all your telling, selling, and explaining for you, so you do not have to. And then the button will be here, okay, that you're ready to have a successful online business. You'll simply click it, go to the secondary video presentation that further does your telling, selling, and explaining for you 24/7, okay? And then you're ready to get started. You're going to go to my sales/product page, okay, by clicking that. And this is going to bring you here, and you're going to be able to review everything firsthand, starting at the top left, working your way down to the bottom right, okay? Follow the simple 3-step system to start making 100% profits. Simple 3 steps, 1, 2, and 3. You can review all of this, setting up, you'll be able to put your pictures here to brand yourself. You'll be able to create your story here to further build know, like, and trust, okay? And then you'll come down here and you'll choose the product package of your choice. Now, if you can't come all in at the 900, no worries. We have 3 additional products. And yes, you can upgrade at any time. Within a 30-day period, you can upgrade from one product package to the other and only pay the difference. Each one of these product packages has a single one-time admin fee of only $29. And then you pay your product, your digital product. The highest one okay, is the 900. There's no upsells above and beyond that. So it's $929 to get all in, folks. And that would be your best choice, my best recommendation for you. So you don't miss out and you get a full, all the content, all the value, all the training, okay, to set you up for maximum potential, maximum reach, and maximum success, okay, and profits to go with it, alrighty? But everything is here for you, folks. Everything is literally here. There's the Launchpad product. You can read up on that. Daily passive daily pay blueprint. You can check that all out. And then this is your digital mastery. And last but not least, we've got Legacy Builder. Okay? It's all here, plus all your wonderful bonuses. And this is a really exciting bonus, folks, because our millionaire mentor, Michelle, who created this, who created all this training, who created all these done-for-you products, she is going to give you as a bonus her 1 million in 17-month blueprint, the exact walkthrough and the exact steps that she used, that she applied to be able to reach the revenue success that she was able to do in just 17 short months, over $1 million, folks. Okay? So you're going to be privy, you're going to have access to all these wonderful benefits to be able to hone in on. So I told you about the Launch to Profit in 7 days. This is where I would go next, okay? Make sure you dive right into 30-day market strategy growth plan. Very, very resourceful and extremely insightful. This is going to really help you to catapult your results with these 2 recommendations. And then get into the social media training next, the copy paste post ads next, and then just continue with everything else. But that's where I would prioritize. Launch to Profit, 30-day market strategy, pick a social media platform, run with it, get your funnel set up, get your emails downloaded, and just apply and implement and show up every single day. Okay, it's very, very easy. I'm here to help you every step of the way. You'll come through my system. The link is below. My contact information is below. Any questions, feel free to reach out, text or call me. If you're serious, if you have any questions, let me know you want to come on board. We will have a nice little chat, and I will be here to help you to get everything up and running and going. Okay? So with that being said, thank you so much for spending the last 17 minutes with me. Once again, sharing more continued proof, folks. This absolutely works. We have a wonderful community that you're going to get added to, receiving a special invite. It's well over 15,000 members, growing strong worldwide. It's the digital growth community. It's an extension of these products. Super supportive, very interactive, and you're going to absolutely love it. So with that being said, folks, thank you so very much for allowing me to continue to share this with you, folks. You're definitely in the right place at the right time. If you like 100% profits, you want to get access to some incredible next level training. It is here. There are no monthly fees. You get to keep 100% of the profits. And this is an amazing system that absolutely works, folks, if you work it. Okay? You show up, you employ a good work ethic, you too can go on and experience nothing but greatness with the Legacy Builder program. Thank you so much. I hope to see you on the inside very, very soon. And bye for now.